Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for pressing the play button. Bafana Bafana World Cup squad announcement. Hugo Bros has just named his final squad that's going to the World Cup. I think for most of us, there's just one major surprise, which is Ukros, the left back, the Kaizer Chiefs. But let's start with the goalkeeping department, right? The last call up, the last squad announcement for the two friendly games, Sipo Chain was not called up. Am I surprised that he was called up? Not really. Hugo Bros is someone that's loyal to his players. He's very loyal to his players, even if they are not playing well or they are not playing team's work. He normally calls them because we remember UCBC maybe last year or 2 seasons back. He would call him up even though bekangadlali. So I'm not really surprised ukuthi ubize uSipho Chain. Even uGos, abanye bathi uGos was supposed to be left out for Peterson. That's not Hugo Bros style. He's loyal to his players. And it's very difficult to name someone. Remember the goalkeeping department. It's like they are a squad, Babu. So bringing someone new into the tournament, I think that's one of the things that he spoke about when they went to AFCON. They did a lot of things as wrong, right? I think he didn't want to disrupt that department. Now coming to defenders, okay. Remember in World Cup, you take 26 players. AFCON it was 25 players. So in AFCON, he took 9 defenders. 9 defenders. Now he took 11 defenders. 11 defenders. There's no need for a defender 11. I'm a defender 11 for E. Right? So Ukros, I think Bamtate because Umutiba, he's injured. So we're not sure which he's going to recover or he's going to start. I think that's why, that's my opinion, right? Because if you look at the left back position, it's like 3 or 4 players who left back, and then you go who right back, it's 3 players. Usibilebele was put in as a defender, but we know what he can play as a right wing. But Gu Pirates has been playing as a right back. And then you have a central defender, 2 this side, 2 on the other side. No, I think it's 3 on the left hand side, the left center back. You have 11 defenders. Why am I defender 11? I'm a defender 11. Yeah? For me, what I would have done, I would have taken out 1 defender. Bese ngifaka Utito. Okay, let's go into the midfield. The midfield, we play with a double pivot. Bafana plays with 2 double pivot, 2 central midfielders. So it's 2 this side, 2 this side. Yeah? It's 4, but I tell 4. And then the forward, yeah? They took 3 strikers, Mahopa, Ulail Foster, and Ureinas. Sharp. Perfect. Akekho umuntu okhalayo lapho. Now, they took Tembazwane no Mfukeng. Because Mfukeng, he said he's going to play him as a 10. So what I would have done, I would have brought in Utito for Usibelebe, right? Or even one of the left backs. It just depends. But you can't take 11 defenders. 11 defenders, Nyakala. 11 defenders for E. You take 1 defender out, then you put in Utito. Because now you have 2 players on the right wing. Okay, let's say on the left wing, you have Umaseko and then you have Umurem. Both of them prefer playing on the left-hand side. Yeah? And then on the right wing, you took Apolis, I1. Apolis I1 on the right-hand side. Maybe that's why they took Usibelebe, right? But I would have taken Utito so that Mfukeng can play on the right and can play on the left. But you only have one player on the right hand side because he told us Mfukeng is going to play as a 10. So you have 2 number 10s. You have Utembazwane and then you have Mfukeng. The squad for me, it was predictable. Mara, just two players that I didn't expect to attack. Yes, Utapulo Morena Vele, he's injured. That was expected with Anega Ham. I didn't think Ugusu Tata Umutiba because Umutiba has been injured Vele in the past week or so. Remember we were Puma, I don't remember which game, but he didn't play the last game against AS FAR. So the biggest problem for me is having 11 defenders. I'm a defender 11 for E. I'm 11 defenders. Yeah, unless if Umutiba Vele, you are not going to play him, then you're going to have 10 defenders. Let's say Umutiba is injured, okay, sharp. Then you're going to have 10, right? But if he's not injured, you have 11 defenders. One of those defenders should have been sacrificed for Utito. Then the other guys, I don't really think Uti they deserve to be selected. Abu Mabu, yes, I know how much his players will say, hey, Mela, you deserve to play. Begazo keep about. The 4 midfielders, Begazo keep about. Because Hugo Bros very loyal to his players. That was my opinion about the final squad, Sebafana Bafana. Let me know what you think of the selection Yago Hugo Bros. Kuma comments. Thank you for watching. Nabonga.